Welcome to Utica, New York, snowmobiling capital of the world. And my name is Bill JUDYCKI. I'm a professor at Mohawk Valley Community College. And we do a few things very well. One of those is teaching technologies and science to individuals looking for a degree. In the year 2015, the college secured a sizable grant to develop a curriculum for a 2-year AAS degree in remotely piloted aircraft systems.
Our remotely piloted aircraft system program here at the college was an exciting venture for us because it got us into a new field that was emerging, and we were able to partner with Microdrones to be one of the first to cure one of their systems that provided cutting-edge technology for our students. Bill JUDYCKI is the faculty member for the program. He brings such energy to the program and creates a great student experience.
So I sat down, I thought about it, what would be good for a graduate to know? Well, it'd be nice to know how to design, build, test, fly, and of course apply RPAS technology. All right, gentlemen, we're here to review. Tomorrow we have our mission. It's probably going to be the last one of the year. We're going to finish up running the Yanadas's project. The first parts of that, the design, build, and test part, that's pretty easy for our college. The applications part has led us to microdrones. I've been frustrated working with the big box amateur type builds. So after a number of months of frustration, I ended up at microdrone. So I was interested in a professional aircraft, something that's reliable, dependable, something that my students would enjoy flying. After some serious discussions, we've got the LiDAR package and also the photogrammetry package, as well as others.
So starting out, we learned how to take it out of the case, every little step, every little inch of it, and it's so modular. I mean, the LiDAR sensor is just snap on, same thing with everything else, and easy to link up, map out, and do a plan.
I couldn't be happier. I wouldn't be doing this if I didn't believe in the product, and our feet have never touched the ground since. My students, I give them real-world projects. This is one of them, to work on a project that would be, well, community effective.
I first found out about the drone program at MVCC by chance. I ran into Bill at a local shop, and we got to chatting. I was quite impressed with Bill himself and what they were doing over at the college. So we set up a little partnership in which we had the students and Bill come out to map our property. We have a little over 200 acres. Here's an aerial photo of the Yanadas's done in probably the mid-90s. You can see the low quality nature of the photo. From that, someone along the way traced this over the top. This is kind of our working irrigation drawing of the golf course, and you can see what kind of shape this is in. But with the new technology, we'll be able to overlay using the product that's provided to us from MV. We'll be able to add layers over the top of their maps using GPS to pinpoint the exact locations of where everything is.
This is a 200-acre project that we're working on. We're in an IFR conditions right now, but tomorrow's another day. But can't wait to take a shot at it tomorrow and give these guys a professional product that meets their standards. So we're here at Area 1. It's about 220 acres. We're going to do about 6 flights to capture great overlap. Today's a great day for flying and capture fantastic data for us.
Before we even get to flight field or whatever location we're flying that day, we have to make sure that it's not in a restricted airspace. If it's not in the restricted airspace, then we show up to the field, we unpack the drone, we set it up, fold out the arms, clear the memory cards so that we have clean data at the end. And then before we take off, we need to plan our mission through MD Cockpit, the software.
Yep. Hey gentlemen, before we get going, Fletcher, why don't we do a pre-flight check? Get your smartphone out, let's run down the numbers.
First step with setting everything up and going through the process is you just set up your plan on the MD cockpit using the tablet. Make sure all your settings are right, your flight speed, your altitude, and you set your waypoints.
Right now we're setting up the configuration. There's multiple configurations for the Microdrone 1000.
get all that, upload it to the drone, then pretty much it's just straightforward. Hit the button, let it go, it flies its mission. All right, props clear. We're set. Arming.
All right.
Departing.